recently we've been buying a lot of clothes second hand. Got, for example, like this dress in 2 colors. It's from one of our favorite brands called Duras. It's very cute. It's actually from last summer's collection. Like, it's really weird. Like, I tried it on like last year because I really loved that dress. But like somehow I felt like it didn't really suit me. So I didn't like buy it. I felt like I looked kind of like an old lady or something. I know that sounds really weird now that I actually bought it. But then like this year I bought like a dress that's like similar in pattern or like yeah. I really loved it, so I decided to buy this one, and I got like both of them for a pretty good price, I would say. And like I bought this one also from Duras in 2 colors. Wasn't really cheap. Like, we want to save a bit money, but we still don't want to stop buying clothes. So yeah, we just resort to buying second hand. And like this bag is from Rienta. It's completely new. Novelty. Is it novelty?
Yes,
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Okay, it came with a tag. It has some mirrors. That's a mirror. It's a really convenient bag. We just got it in the mail now. And it cost like 2,000, right?
It was 2,555.
Yeah. Oh, and then we had to pay like 600 for shipping. But like still like 3,100 is not too bad. So Leo was trying to take a shower, and suddenly this water stopped working, and I remembered this, so we won't have water until like 11, 11:30, and we completely forgot about it. Okay, so since we can't really do that much at the moment, I just decided to make kind of like brunch, you could say, since I haven't eaten any breakfast, so it's almost, I was like 10, so it's like kind of late, but still kind of early, but still, yeah. So I'm gonna make some salad, and then also some miso syrup, and this is like what I'm going to put in the miso syrup. So I'm putting like okra, I guess it's probably called in English. This type of onion that I'm not sure what's it, like the name of, regular onion. And this is like, it's not aoneki, it's like some other kind of neki onion, like spring onion. Been cutting up cucumbers for the salad, and he loves cucumbers. Mate? Mate? Ote? Ote? Mate? Ote? This is like, nope, you're not holding it, it's on the floor. Mate? See how he looks at me. Hey, yes. Yeah, he's some hamburger for the miso syrup. So I'm trying to put him up for the salad. So yeah, like this is the salad that I'm going to put chicken in. But as for dressing, I'm going to put gomaburo, which is flaxseed oil, and kombu dashi. This is miso paste that I put in the miso, or like we always use this one. So it's pretty good. So this is our food. I decided to not put any tofu in the miso syrup, but it's still really good. It's really good. And yeah, also if you're making miso syrup, you always have to make sure it does not boil. So finally gonna do my makeup now. It's like 12:30. So, and these are the items that I've been using mostly recently. primer, like color concealers, BB cream, loose powder, highlighter, cheek, eyebrows, eyeshadow, and eyeliner mascara. These are the ones I've been using the most recently. And they're like the only things I've been using recently. Now in Kumasama. So we're going to on the Noah. He's too busy looking around. So we ordered from Hamid for Noah, Hamid for Kishka. Oh, really? No. And we also got some water. We didn't do the last purchase. Noah. Madde? Madde?こんなに暑いのに水飲まない。いいよね。なんで？なんで？He just wants his cat. No, what is because the steak. He's having such a difficult time right now. Now go to food. No, what's the food? Thank you very much. So I'm making him wait for his cat. And I got my So in this Starbucks, these things, like you can only get these things here in this Starbucks. Like nowhere else. Yeah, I think that's cool. Hey bro, where you can smell what there have been all the dogs here. No. So we're going on a walk here in Komasawa Koen now. Yay! there were two guys going past us and they were staring. And it's probably both because I have a selfie stick, I'm like pointing it to my face, and we're like foreigners and we're just dressed like this.
Pretty hard.
Yeah. Around people doing stuff on the yeah, like the entrance we came into Tomosan-koi, the west entrance, the secret sea. And they have quite a few entrances, and they have like gymnasium, they have field to like play sports on, running track, bicycling track, playground, also some like some thingies that you can drive on with your family, like the father like bicycling and the children sitting in the back, that kind of stuff. And Lea is just busy on her phone. I was talking badly about you. Ha! You were... Yeah. I wasn't listening. What did you get when you don't listen?
いい子だ、いい子だ、いい子だね。
かわいい。
仲良し。
Oh, hey, Noah.
すいません。いいえ。仲良し。ねえ。
Ja, värsta kålhunten, värsta kålhunten. Den röt jag.
Ah,
Hej, hej, hej.
ありがとう。ありがとう。ね、僕もだよ。反対よ。はい、どうぞって僕もこれです。どうぞ。嗅いでください。どうぞ。これです。よろしく。よろしく。よろしく。よろしく。こんにちは。上手
大丈夫、大丈夫、大丈夫、大丈夫。はいはいはい、友達だよ、友達。
みんな上手。
はいはいはいはい。はいはいはいはいはい。
ノークのちょっと大きめの犬があんまり
怖い。
そう。あ、
まだ
怖くない。
パピーちゃん。
へえ。
そうなんだ。
のおじいちゃん。
おじいちゃん？
9歳。うん、9
9
歳。
歳。9ヶ月。
すいません。
9歳だって。ありがとう。ありがとう。ありがとう。
ありがとうございます。
またね。バイバイ。
We always meet a lot of people with dogs when we go out with Noah. But he's really bad when it's like, even if the dog is just like tiny bit bigger than Noah, he just like, he's a crappy old guy. I guess like maybe he had a bad experience with bigger dogs or something. Or maybe just not used to them because he's okay with small dogs. And I think his former owner also had, yeah, he had another dog that was smaller than Noah. So I guess like he's just used to others being smaller than himself. So he's a crappy old dog. Actually, like here in, like around Komasawa Park, they have a lot of cafes and restaurants where you can eat with your dogs. They can come in and eat with you, like the one we went to earlier. Like it was on the second floor, but we could just take him up and inside. Like there wasn't even a veranda or anything where he was required to sit. And there were no rules. Like he has to sit on the floor, or he can't do this or he can't do that. There are no rules like that.
It's one chat, okay.
Okay. Yeah, and like actually around like on the street we were walking earlier, there are so many pastors, like seriously, a lot of them.
There's one really pretty one. Like Ocere. It's really stylish.
Yeah, like for guy, like for like dogs like Noah. Like for not for girls.
Yeah.
Like for guys that want to be cool. Hip and cool. Yeah, we went.
It's for Ikemen.
Yeah, we once went in there and they have like these samples of the dog candy. So like we had Noah with us and we like took one. I think it was made out of like sweet potato. And yeah, it was made out of sweet potato, so I took it, I like let him sniff it, and I was like, no. I don't want that. No, thank you. I was like, no, you like everything. You eat everything. Like, seriously, he eats everything, but he was like, no. And then we like just walked around the store a bit, and like the jocks outside, and I think they probably kind of found it funny. And then like I decided to take another one, and I like first like tried to give him that, and yeah, he liked that. So we bought that one. Still have a lot of it left.
Yeah, we buy too much candy
Yeah,
for him.
we have a lot.
And now we
of
have
candy.
a lot because he needs to be on a diet. He's not allowed to get too much candy, even though it's just cake.
Yeah,
He ate quite a lot today.
Yeah, he's trying to get. Yeah, he wants to say hi to the dog. There's also one main street over there. I think it's the main street over there. Yeah, and then over there was there like another. We were accidentally walking on the running track. Is there like another part of the garden over on the other side of the street?
I think so.
I think so probably. I think like one time when we were walking here, we somehow managed to walk there in some paths where you don't really notice the main street, and then we were like walking past, like walking back, and we were just like, what the fuck? Where did this street come from?
Is there a beer garden over here? Like, are they having an Oktoberfest now?
Oh,
Yes.
oh,
Yeah, that's not.
I know someone that will like this.
Oh, it's Oktoberfest. Like, it doesn't matter what time of the year. They have
Yeah.
Ooh! Look at that.
It's a bird. It's something just fell over there. Oh yeah, that's a tower. Yeah, I feel like over here you can often see people with kites flying them. Good dogs. Like, they have like 2 ramps so they can get up.
Oh.
It actually says over here, don't go into the pond. Oops. Too late. I should have something better to tell people not to do that because I already did that. Look at how cute that is.
No.
Oh! Jag var själv. Oh, it's like Olympic Park. Como se llama Olympic? I didn't know. So it's sports-related things. He didn't care for that. Konnichiwa.
2歳の男の子で一郎と言います。
臭いのノー君。
じゃあ
Here's one of the parks. Buta Cohen. Pick
There's another one called Umakoen. That means horse park. This one is kind of pig themed. It's a lot of small pigs and one big one in the middle. But the Uma one only has like 3 like goals, like the blue one. 3 like horse-tipped stones like that. It's the only thing that like says why it's actually called Umakoen. Like after you see like the main road until like over there is the other part of the garden. Okay, park, garden park, yeah.
FYI, this water doesn't taste nice.
It's okay in my opinion. Yes, I think you're just picky. Okay, it's kind of dark so you can't really see us that well, but it's 8:30, we haven't eaten dinner.
Because we're smackers.
Yeah, and we're too lazy. We're seriously too lazy to cook dinner because like somehow this like the long walk and the heat just made us tired. So like
Really tired.
yeah, I was exhausted when I came home. And then we were like talking to our mom and grandmother like Skype, and they got like our package that we sent them the other day. So they were being really happy about that. And then like when we were talking to them, our friend contacted us and was like, Froyo?
I want froyo.
And it's like, okay, we'll come. So now we're going to Shinjuku to a store called Munchies that have like frozen
Yogurt.
ice cream.
No, it's frozen yogurt. It's
Okay,
yogurt, so
okay.
it's frozen yogurt. Ice cream is
I guess
basically...
I call everything ice cream. It is frozen and it's kind of like ice cream. It's ice cream. Okay.
That's not how things work.
I call popsicles ice cream.
Okay, so yeah, we're on our way to Shinjuku. So.
Yeah. Oh, milk chocolate.
Yeah.
And lychee. The almond jelly is pretty weird. You tried it?
Yeah.
Yes, I got a lot of lychee and chocolate, and then I got candy.
We're not putting that up.
You weren't in it.
Okay.
Party-chan. Check it out. Okay, so we're gonna do a costume peripera. I'm gonna be Mars, and Emi's gonna be Chibi. We have a lot more. Chibi is up. But there's Chibi one here. This one is cute. You want to do this after button? You don't have to press the button again. Okay, he came. Round. じゃあ、チービーボールとステラ
販売とお電話番号いただいてもいいですか？
and it's like fucking hilarious.
How about the penny?
Yeah, you have to pay for your own. Just because I don't have another 200 yen. I have 50 yen.
So now it's a battle of no, like Leia has to win so she can know where her shoes are. So Tian starts with difficult and Leia is like normal. You're the bottom one.
We both lost.
What? At least I did better and she did. How did you both lose? Where are your shoes?
Did you win?
No!
What's
No
what's
one
the
won! But if you give her a clue where her shoes are. Do you know what Diane only had 200 yen instead of more?
That was free. Oh, that's free. Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. Easy.
No, it's getting his reward since he was alone at home. We bought like frozen blueberries for him because he seriously loves blueberries a lot. Like if you give him a choice, he'll like choosing blueberries over everything.
Okay.
See how much he wants it.
Hi, yes.
So we just came back home and it's like, what time is it?
11:30.
11:30. So we're probably just gonna clean off our makeup now and
Go to sleep.
yeah, I'll edit the video a bit and then go to sleep. So thanks for watching and I hope you liked this video. So please leave a comment, or
Like
subscribe,
it,
or
share
like it.
it.
Thumbs up. Basically, I like it. But yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye.